Hey guys, welcome. I'm going to be doing a little movie. Well, you probably know what the movie is because I deleted it. It's 4K. It's the only movie I only have. And there goes Universal Screen. Hopefully it fucking works. I hope the audio works. That's the reason why I fucking hate you. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. This is why the fucking app sucks. The app fucking sucks. Yeah. Tell me there's no fucking audio, I can't fucking see. Yeah. Got Chinese or Korean. I don't know what the actually is. Yeah. I personally love the 4K release of this Blu-ray. It's just a pain in the fucking ass that the movie sucks because it doesn't work most of the time because of the app.